Innovation is completely embedded in the 2050 vision document. It underpins all the strategic responses. Innovation is absolutely essential for our business. We need to dramatically reduce the costs of providing water and wastewater services. And without innovation, and without the research that underpins the innovation, we're simply not going to be able to do that.
So within Welsh Water we run a distributed system of innovation, so everybody is responsible for innovation within the company. So within the next year we're shifting our focus to look at our key challenges, which are customer acceptability. With discoloured water we're looking at trialling inline filters in distribution and also automatic flushing devices, and we're also working with leakage, looking at a number of projects including using drones to detect leaks in hard to get at places.
At any one time in the business we probably have about 100 projects on the go within the innovation portfolio. There are a couple of really exciting projects. On the water side, we know we need to move to substantially reduce cost in terms of the cost of water production, so we're looking at chemical-free water treatment systems. And on the wastewater side, we're just commissioning a new anaerobic treatment as opposed to aerobic treatment process to treat sewage. And again, we hope that that will enable us to make a step change in terms of the costs of treating both water and wastewater respectively.
Welsh Water have done a lot of things over the years to prove that they're an innovative company. Our Rainscape programme is leading in the industry for surface water removal. We've also done some retrieval tools which help us take very hard to remove objects from sewers. But more recently we have looked at varying projects, one of which I'm most proud of is our treatment performance forecaster tool, which helps us predict wastewater treatment works that are going to fail before they actually become at risk. Coming up in the next year, we've got lots of projects, but the one I'm particularly looking forward to is our Ultrawaves trial. This is ultrasonic treatment of our sludge, and this will help us stop inhibition of ammonia in the treatment process and will help us generate more energy.
So innovation and research underpin every single part of the 2050 document, and we need to work much closer with academics, the research councils, people like the National Environment Research Council, to use their expertise as well as our expertise, and indeed look internationally for best practice, so that we can bring that back into the business and then start to develop at pace really the changes that we need to implement over the next 25-30 years.